Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Here are some important banking laws from the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation website. The most important laws that have affected the banking industry in the United States are listed below, with short descriptions highlighting major provisions or significant impacts on the FDIC. The first one is the National Bank Act of 1864, Chapter 106, 13, Stat. 99 established a national banking system and the chartering of national banks. Next, Federal Reserve Act of 1913 established the Federal Reserve System as the central banking system of the U.S. Next, an act to amend the national banking laws and the Federal Reserve Act, also known as the McFadden Act of 1927, prohibited interstate banking. Next, Banking Act of 1933, also known as the Glass-Steagall Act, established the FDIC as a temporary agency, separated commercial banking from investment banking, established them as separate lines of commerce. Interesting. Next, Banking Act of 1935 established the FDIC as a permanent agency of the government. Next, Federal Deposit Insurance Act of 1950 revised and consolidated earlier FDIC legislation into one act, embodied the basic authority of the operation of the FDIC. Next, Bank Holding Company Act of 1956 required Federal Reserve Board approval for the establishment of bank holding company, prohibited bank holding companies headquartered in one state from acquiring a bank in another state.